Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can download your invoice from Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, to get your Temu invoice, what you need first is to make an order. Now, I can't make orders at the moment, don't have the sufficient money, so I'll just be talking over it and talking you guys through the process. Now, if you've made an order, what you need to do is go into your orders tab, and once you're there, you'll see a list of all your orders. Now, you're going to want to select whichever order you want, whether it's in processing, shipped, or delivered, doesn't matter. You're going to see a list of all your orders right over here. Click on the order that you want, and then you'll have the option here in the bottom right to select your receipt. Then once you click on that, you'll see your receipt here on the main page, or in the middle of your page, and then in the top right you'll have the option to print that receipt, and that is pretty much all there is to it, and that's how you get your invoice. Alternatively, you can also use a plugin such as the Temu Invoice downloader from the Chrome store, and you can very easily use it. Go through the overview, follow the instructions, and use it to download any invoices which you might want. This is pretty much just gonna download the printed receipts that I talked about before, but that is also quite a helpful tool to pretty much do the same through your browser with fewer steps. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.